This is my custom volume 2014 volume hashing. Says it right here if you can see it. Volume hashing. It has a carbon fiber spacer, a P-Fix rim set. They're Alex rims with the red nipples. The valve stems are specialized inner tubes, aftermarket I bought with a metal valve stem in chrome with a red. This is from Slime. I got it from like Walmart or AutoZone or something. Then they have Mission tractor tires, 2.3s, female front hub, a red anodized stem. I forgot what brand this is, so if anybody remembers this brand, let me know. They stopped making this brand, so this discontinued. Also, it has a P-Fix series crankset with the sprocket and these colony pedals with the red in here. Also, I have a back rim, also P-Fix. Mission tractor tires in the back as well. Also, I got new brake shoes. You can't really see them here, but they're pretty much the brake shoes that look like Vans. I got them in red. And then they didn't come with these internal guts. It just came with a nut and some washers, and that wasn't gonna do for me. So luckily I ordered some new brake shoes from Promax, and they had this in black, so that complemented my style a lot from, you know, what I'm doing, the black, red, and chrome look. So it gave that red and then the black. I also got a new seat clamp. It's from Animal. It's an Animal seat clamp. It makes the bike with all that black and red and chrome pop out. Made this seat. This was a Colt seat. You can probably still see it says Colt on it. I just rewrapped it. I think it came out pretty sick. Also, these are Odyssey Springfield brakes. Stock, the bike came with Odyssey Springfield brakes, but they would have came with black ones, and I ended up ordering some polished silver ones. So that's polished silver. And I like about these cables is that the cable itself is chrome, but then this end cable is black, so it goes with the black and red chrome theme. And then it didn't came with this. I just took off like a department bike, put it on there. Doesn't affect the performance. I added that sticker in the middle of the frame. Also, I put a little red lever gripper. It was just too big, so I just cut it. Not a big deal. Not like it's gonna start ripping apart. Another thing, I also ordered some Vans Colt grips. So that